Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right microclimate and planting stock. Pick a sheltered, partially shaded bed because cacao struggles in full sun. This reduces stress and sunburn. Once the site is clear, mix compost and a little sand for drainage, ensuring pH near neutral so roots absorb nutrients. Plant seedlings when they have 4-6 true leaves to shorten establishment time. Water lightly after transplanting and apply a 2-3 cm organic mulch. This stabilizes moisture and feeds soil as it breaks down. Once seedlings are established, you shift focus to steady care. Water on a schedule, keeping soil consistently moist because cacao has shallow roots. Make sure not to saturate the root zone to avoid rot. Fertilize with a balanced NPK plus trace elements. Small monthly feedings encourage steady growth and earlier pod set. Prune to maintain 1 or 2 main stems, and open the canopy so light reaches developing flowers and pods. Doing this reduces disease risk and makes harvesting manageable. Keep your cuts clean to heal quickly. You finish by harvesting and processing beans for chocolate. Harvest pods once color cues indicate ripeness, then remove beans and pulp. Ferment them for about 5-7 days to develop flavor, turning periodically. After fermenting, dry beans to roughly 7% moisture on racks or mirrored trays, then store in a cool, dry place. If you see flower drop, poor pod set, or rot, troubleshoot by checking irrigation rates, improving drainage, reducing overhead watering, and adjusting shade levels. These fixes usually restore flowering and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.